For 30 years, if you wanted to play high-end games, you needed a box. A plastic box sitting under your TV costing you $500. But recently, Microsoft launched a campaign that made a lot of hardcore gamers pretty angry. They pointed at a phone, a laptop, and yes, a smart TV and said, "This is an Xbox." It sounded like marketing fluff, but in April 2025 and later in November for markets like India, that marketing became reality. Microsoft officially integrated the Xbox app directly into LG's Smart TV ecosystem. I'm playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 right now. There is no console in this room, no HDMI cable plugged into a Series X. This is just an app running on an LG TV. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the Xbox-LG partnership. We're going to test the latency, check the graphics on these OLED panels, and answer the big question: is the era of buying gaming hardware officially over? First, let's be clear. This isn't just about downloading an app like Netflix. LG and Microsoft had to do some serious engineering under the hood. If you own a 2022 or 2023 LG model, like the popular C2 or G3, you specifically need firmware version 23.20.01. Why that specific number? Because cloud gaming hates latency. This update optimizes the video decoders to handle H.265 streams from Microsoft's Azure servers and crucially updates the Bluetooth stack. That means when I press shoot on this controller, the TV processes that signal instantly. Support covers almost everything from the 2022 OLEDs up to the newest 2025 webOS models. And for my viewers in India, LG went even further, supporting models as far back as 2021 because they know upgrade cycles there are different. Navigating to the gaming cue card on webOS 24 feels native. It doesn't feel like a TV menu, it feels like a console dashboard. But the feature that actually changes the game, pun intended, is something called Stream Your Own Game. For years, xCloud was limited to the Game Pass catalog. If a game left Game Pass, you couldn't stream it. Now, on LG TVs, you can stream games you actually bought digitally. We're talking titles like Hogwarts Legacy, NBA 2K25, and Assassin's Creed Shadows. This is massive. It turns your LG TV into a permanent library of your digital assets. You don't need a subscription to access games you own. You just need the internet. And speaking of controllers, look at this. I am using a PlayStation DualSense controller to play Halo on an LG TV. If that doesn't scream the console wars are over, I don't know what does. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room: picture quality. Xbox Cloud Gaming is currently capped at 1080p 60 frames per second. On a 65-inch 4K TV, 1080p can look a bit soft. However, LG has a secret weapon: the Alpha 9 AI processor. The TV's internal AI upscales that 1080p stream to 4K, and it does a surprisingly good job. Plus, you're playing on an OLED panel. The infinite contrast and 0.1 millisecond pixel response time actually make the game feel faster and look more punchier than a native console running on a cheaper LCD screen. But is it perfect? No. If your Wi-Fi drops, you will see artifacts. LG recommends Ethernet for stability, and honestly, so do I. And for the competitive players out there, if you are ranked Diamond in Overwatch or Call of Duty, you will still feel that tiny bit of network latency. For everyone else, it's magic. LG isn't the only one doing this. Samsung has had their gaming hub since 2022, and Amazon has the Fire Stick. But here is why LG might be winning. The Amazon Fire Stick is cheap, $50, but it relies on Wi-Fi and has weaker upscaling. Samsung is great, but their Tizen OS can be cluttered. LG's webOS is generally cleaner and gets you into the game faster. And then there's this, the StanbyME. It's a battery-powered screen on wheels. Because Xbox is now just an app, I can roll this into the kitchen, cook dinner, and keep playing Forza Horizon 5. This is bedside gaming or balcony gaming. You can't do this with a console plugged into a wall. So, is the console dead? Not yet. If you want native 4K and zero latency, keep your Series X. But for the billions of people who just want to play FIFA or Call of Duty without spending $500 on a box, this is the future. LG and Microsoft have turned the TV into the console. The barrier to entry is gone. especially in markets like India, where they launched with 600 free-to-play games to get people hooked without spending a rupee on hardware. What do you think? Would you trade your console for a TV app? Or is 1080p cloud streaming still a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.